Hi everybody, welcome back to IC Square Maths YouTube channel. This is Santosh. Hope you are doing great. So now we are going to discuss very important mathematics logic behind number series. By seeing this, you will get excitement because playing numbers you learned in 6th, 7th, 8th standards. It is also meant for your NTSC math, what are you going to write in the future. Next, SI recruitment and RRB selections and events for 6th, 7th, 8th students also. So, previously we discussed many topics related to right from 7th to our intermediate topics. Now, here we are going to discuss number series which comes under mathematics logic, the math syllabus, which is very interesting, and this you can give boosting for your children's also 6th, 7th, 8th students. Let us start now. So there are some types, some forms. Type 1, n square plus 1 series. So how to recognize the series now? So there are some types. Each term of the series is a sum of square term and 1. Okay. So for n square plus 1 series, there is some definition. So let us follow now. Find out the missing term of the series. So how to find the missing term? Here one term is missing. What is that? 10, 17, 26, 37. This term is missing and this is 65. So we had to find out that question mark now. Here, if you observe carefully, n square plus 1 series it is given. So let us start with n is equal to 1. So 1 square plus 1, it is 2 but not 10. So let us stop. Next, 2 square plus 1. Okay, nothing but 5. Again, you have to stop it. Next, consider 3 square plus 1. So, here 3 square plus 1. Let us start here now. So, you are going to get 9 plus 1. Nothing but 10. So, here also 10. Next, 4 square. N is equal to. Next, we are going to consider 4. So, 4 square plus 1. So, 16 plus 1. Nothing but 17. Next, 5 square plus 1. 25 plus 1, nothing but 26. Next, 6 square plus 1. 6 square is 6 into 6, 36 plus 1 is equal to, here it is 37. So if you observe carefully here, 10, 17, 26, 37 and the missing term and 65. So we started with n is equal to 1 and 2. So we did not get the terms, first two terms for n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2. So for n is equal to 3 onwards, we are getting the terms, nothing but 3 square plus 1 is 10, 4 square plus 1 is 17, 5 square plus 1 is nothing but 26, 6 square plus 1 is 37. So we are getting the terms, so proceeding in that way. Next, 7 square plus 1, nothing but 49 plus 1 is equal to 50. Let us check the next term also. Nothing but 8 square plus 1, 64 plus 1 gives you 65. So we got the last term also. Hence, by this observation, by this pattern here, what is our answer? We got 50 for 7 square plus 1. Therefore, what is our missing term here? 50. Therefore, the missing term is equal to 50. So in this way we can overcome this problem. So this is type 1, nothing but first form. So n square plus 1 series, it is obtained by each term of the series is a sum of square term and 1, sum of square term and 1, sum of square term and 1. For n is equal to 1 and 2, here it fails. For n is equal to 3, here it is working. So on, we got here 7 square plus 1, 49 plus 1, nothing but 50. Next, coming to here, I hope so you got the better experience with this. The same will continue here. Next series is our n square minus 1 series. Each term of the series is obtained by subtracting 1 from the square of a number. So that's why n square minus 1 series. Here, find out the missing term of the series 0, 3, 8, 15, 24 and the missing term here we should find question mark next to 48. So let us go for substitutions now. So n is equal to 1. So here we have n square minus 1 series. For this we are continuing. So this implies therefore 1 square minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So for first term itself we are getting here, it is 0. So let us go for next. N is equal to 2 square minus 1, 4 minus 1, nothing but 3. 2 square, nothing but 2 into 2, 4, minus 1, 3. So we got next 3 square minus 1, 9 minus 1, nothing but 8. Next 4 minus 1, 16 minus 1, 4 square is 16, minus 1 is 15. Next 5 square minus 1, so 25 minus 1, nothing but 24. If you observe carefully here, we got all the terms 0, 3, 8, 15, 24, 0, 3, 8, 15, 24. Let us check for the remaining also whether we are going to get or not. So 6 square minus 1, 36 minus 1 is 35. Next 7 square minus 1, so 49 minus 1 is equal to 48. So by observation we got all the terms here 0, 3, 8, 15, 24 and 48. Our missing term stands for here nothing but our 35. Therefore the missing term of given series is 35. Therefore what is our missing term here? 35. So type 1 n square plus 1 series and type 2 n square minus 1 series. So after listening you can have a look here. Now we are going to the third type, n square plus n series. So let us go through our statement. Each term of the series is sum of square of the number and the given number. So if n is any number, its square is n square, and n square plus n is our series. So for that let us go through the example now. Find out the missing term of the series. So solution follows. So if you observe carefully 12, 20, 30, 42 and the missing term here we have to find next is 72. So let us go through for 1. So 1 square plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 nothing but 2. So here we are not getting our 12. Next 2 square plus 2, 4 plus 2 nothing but 6. Again here we are not getting our number. 3 square plus 3, 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, which is our first term of our sequence. So now let us proceed here. 4 square plus 4, since n square plus n, so n is equal to 3, that's why 3 square plus 3. Next 4 square plus 4, 4 square is 4 into 4, 16 plus 4, nothing but 20. Next 5 square plus 5, 25 plus 5, 30. Next 6 square plus 6, 36 plus 6 is equal to here 42. So 12, 20, 30, 42, the same terms we got. Let us continue our pattern here. 7 square plus 7, 7 plus 7, 49, sorry, 7 into 7 is 49, plus 7 gives you 56. Next, in the same way we will proceed whether we are going to get the next term or not. 8 square plus 8, 8 into 8, 64 plus 8 gives you 72. So here we got. So by observation, after 42 what we got here? 56. So therefore our missing term of the given series is nothing but here it is 56. So let us write the conclusion. Therefore the missing term of the series is 56. So far we discussed 3 different types of series, number series. So it is very important even for your 5th, 6th, 7th class children also you can train up for the logical thinking of the child. So it is beyond the textbook also, but it is very amusing and it is important for NTSC examination aspirants. Those are writing. That is nothing but for 10 students. Next, it is also helpful for SI recruitment and RRB selections. So like this, we can overcome the various number series. So you can have the look. So please viewers, I hope that you got the best knowledge experience with my video. I hope that those who did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, like, share and comment. Thank you.